Mind-focused vibration therapy. Whole body vibration therapy is getting popular these days that involves the use of recommended equipment to vibrate and dissolve fatty deposits, including visceral fat, at different parts of the body. This technique is especially helpful for bedridden and old-age people who have limited options due to restricted movements. However, vibration through this technology is limited to the skin or to the adjacent muscles only and offers no remedy for visceral fat dissolution that is deposited at various organs located deep inside the body. Fortunately, mind-focused vibrations, at certain points in the belly and chest, have been practiced, by the spiritualists, for centuries with claims of comforting the soul and body during their long-term meditations. We have explored this activity in some detail and finds it helpful for bedridden and old-age people to improve their general health, including the visceral fat dissolution, deposited deep inside the body. In this therapy, a certain point, generally involunteer, is triggered, through mind focus, to pulsate in a rhythmic way like heart. The vibration speed and time is controlled through mind focus, and the point in question is kept vibrating till it stops at its own or the focus is diverted to some other point. We understand that these pressure points may be located at some bigger arteries or involunteer muscles. In the later case, the vibration may stop at its own as the involunteer muscles have limited stored energy. However, in the case of an overactivated artery, the vibration may be carried out for longer times. This is an inexpensive activity requiring no diet, medication, equipment, or specific time. People may practice while they are free to master this soft exercise for general well-being or cure certain sicknesses related to these specific points. We have compiled a book titled Mind-Focused Vibration Therapy, wherein the pressure points in question have been explored in detail and specific protocols developed for the same to start and stop of the vibrations. Through experience, people have found 6 points in the belly and 5 in the chest. We may like to add that the stated locations of the pressure points are approximations only, and exact fixation of the same may need further verification through medical technology. However, at a first glance, these appear to be as follows. Points in the belly. Underneath the stomach. Belly button. Right colon. Left colon. Bladder. Prostate. Points in the chest. Close to heart. Under the right breast. Under the left breast. Upper middle of the chest. In the throat. It may be seen that it covers almost all of our body. Besides, a similar activity may also be adapted through mind-focused fast breathing for short or long intervals for general comfort of our vocal systems. This therapy has been found to be helpful for effective dissolution of unwanted visceral fat, especially on our belly. Although it is a slower process than liposuction but needs no syringes or cuts, neither it develops any rashes. With just a mind focus, we may start and stop vibrations in our belly for shorter or longer intervals of time to dissolve smaller or bigger lumps of fat, respectively. We may be able to reduce a couple of inches of our waist in a month or so once this activity is mastered. Like liposuction, it doesn't reduce much weight and just the fatty deposits are removed. Backache is another area that may be addressed through this therapy. A simple mind focus on the belly button triggers vibration from top to the bottom of the connecting muscles. A few days adaptation to this skill starts reducing the stiffness in the strained muscles and improves the flexibility. We may assume that prostate enlargement could be slowed down through intermittent vibrations, and a prolonged therapy may help to reduce its size. However, prostate vibration should be kept slower to avoid breakdown of relatively softer tissues. Likewise, pancreatic vibrations could be helpful to control the sugar levels, and overall belly vibrations may keep blood pressure at optimum levels. We may also assume that a prolonged vibration therapy could refresh our skin as well, because the underlying muscles constantly vibrate that may remove the unwanted deposits and improve the blood flow, thereby slowing down the aging process. Keeping in view of the benefits offered by this discipline, we felt it appropriate to upload videos on our YouTube channel as a trailer of the upcoming book. The videos include belly vibrations and a specific supine position to kickstart learning of this activity. Among the various available techniques for triggering of these pressure points, we have reported this position only as it's the easiest one to start vibrations. So, in the proposed protocol, we begin with a few minutes of cross-legged supine position that applies stress on our belly, which vibrates in reaction to reduce the stress. Then we release the stress and let the belly vibrate under the mind focus. As long as the focus is there, the vibration is there. When the focus is diverted, the vibration stops. We hope our presentations will be helpful for the targeted community of old age and bedridden people to stand on their feet again and have a normal and healthy living.